Just put a CAN tab on your TV and watch any channel. Digital antenna sellers don't want you to see this. To start this simple hack, we're gonna need a piece of aluminum foil, about this size. Next, we're gonna use a small styrofoam container. Take the piece of foil we cut and cover the entire container. Aluminum is an excellent signal conductor, which is gonna help reduce possible interferences and protect the connection. After covering the entire container, trim off any excess with the help of scissors. Just like this. Now, with the help of a soldering iron, let's make a small hole in the center of the container. Once that's done, just take a coaxial adapter like this one and fit into the hole we just made. And now we're going to use a coaxial cable, also known as antenna cable. With the help of pliers, cut a small piece about 4 inches long. Then, with the help of some cutting tool, mark right in the middle. Once divided, remove the rubber cover of the cable. Then remove all the protection to expose only the copper. Once that's done, repeat the same process on the other end of the cable, but now just on the tip. Then mark with the scissors a little below. Remove the rubber again and fit an antenna adapter like this one. Next, take an aluminum can and remove the tab. After this, just stick the tip of the copper wire through the tab. Then, using the pliers, bend it in order to secure it well. And check this out, it should look like this. Now just go ahead and screw it right here, and our homemade antenna will be almost ready. To finish, just take a large piece of coaxial cable. Do the same process of removing the protections at both ends, leaving only the exposed copper wire, so that we can fit 2 more adapters on the ends. If there's any excess copper, just trim it with the pliers. It's better to leave it like this, see? Now all you gotta do is screw one end into the other part we assembled, and screw the other end into the output of your TV. And with that, you have several free channels with high quality images. In this easy and cheap way, you'll be able to watch your favorite channels without having to spend on expensive antennas. That was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you like this idea, make sure to share this video with your friends. I'm sure this hack can help more people out there. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.